Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of watch movements and the evolution from quartz to mechanical mechanisms. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of different watch mechanisms and their impact on timekeeping accuracy and characteristics. Quartz movements revolutionize the watch industry with their exceptional precision and efficiency. These movements rely on the piezoelectric properties of quartz crystals, which vibrate when an electric current is applied, providing a stable timekeeping source. Quartz watches are known for their affordability, accuracy, and low maintenance requirements. Automatic mechanical movements showcase the artistry and craftsmanship of watchmaking. These movements utilize a self-winding mechanism, harnessing the natural motion of the wearer's wrist to wind the mainspring. With intricate gears, escapements, and balance wheels, mechanical watches offer a mesmerizing display of mechanical complexity and a connection to horological traditions. Manual mechanical movements require manual winding by the wearer. These movements evoke a sense of nostalgia and a deeper connection with the watch. Watch enthusiasts appreciate the tactile experience of winding their timepiece and the opportunity to interact with the intricate mechanical components inside. Quartz movements offer exceptional accuracy, durability, and affordability, making them popular choices for everyday watches. On the other hand, mechanical movements captivate with their craftsmanship, tradition, and the beauty of mechanical artistry. Each movement type has its unique advantages and appeals to different watch enthusiasts. Mechanical movements are intricate systems of gears, springs, and levers working in harmony. Watchmakers meticulously assemble and adjust these components to achieve optimal timekeeping performance. From the escapement mechanism to the balance wheel, every element contributes to the accuracy and functionality of the watch. Complications are additional functions beyond basic timekeeping. Mechanical movements allow for a wide range of complications, including chronographs, moon phase displays, perpetual calendars, and tourbillons. These complications showcase the ingenuity of watchmakers and add complexity and functionality to the timepiece. Choosing between quartz and mechanical movements is a matter of personal preference. Whether one values the precision and convenience of quartz or the intricate craftsmanship and tradition of mechanical watches, both movement types contribute to the rich tapestry of horological art and allow individuals to express their style and appreciation for timekeeping. In conclusion, the evolution from quartz to mechanical movements offers diverse choices and experiences in the world of watches. Quartz movements provide precision and efficiency, while mechanical movements captivate with their artistry and tradition. Whichever movement type you prefer, the beauty and fascination of timekeeping continue to inspire watch enthusiasts around the globe.